Events are no longer 3-day moments. The future is continuous engagement. The biggest challenge is the 362-day gap, where revenue and engagement disappear. The market is shifting fast. Continuous ecosystems outperform episodic events by over 140%. We're moving from one-off events to 365-day ecosystems that compound value. HE365 is the operating system for this shift, built on 4 core pillars. The Hybrid Event 365 engine reduces manual work by up to 80% and increases engagement 3 to 5 times. Our unified architecture compounds value with every activation. You get persistent hubs, recurring touchpoints, AI personalization, and partner monetization, all in one platform. AI handles translation, routing, and personalization automatically. Partners become a recurring revenue engine with measurable ROI. Every activation increases the probability of the next. Engagement compounds. Organizers see rapid time to value and measurable outcomes within 60 to 90 days. The Live Data Command Center gives you real-time insights and attribution. The business model scales with your ecosystem: subscription, partner share, AI usage, and expansion. The next decade belongs to organizers who operate continuously. Hybrid Event 365 gives you the platform to lead.